Hello, Shen. Guten Tag. For today's info, I would like to share to you my first salary here in Deutschland for the first 6 months and the arrangement of the employer for me. So for the first 6 months, nakasulat sa kontrata ko na as nursing assistant muna. Kasi nga, pinaprocess pa yung certification ko as a registered nurse at saka nang dahil sa poor communication skills ko ng Deutsch, kaya yun for 6 months as nursing assistant. So, after ng 6 months na yun, automatic din na change yung salary ko to registered nurse. So, nung 6 months na yun, nagsahod lang ako ng 2,500 euro, gross yun ha. Tapos, ang ma-receive ko niyan is around 1,700 or 1,800. After sa mga deductions ng tax at saka yung iba pang obligatory payables dito. Tapos, after ng 6 months as registered nurse naman, ang gross ko naman nun is 3,400 euro. Pero ang ma-receive ko nun is only around 2,600, 2,500 kasi nga mataas yung tax. Saka yung ibang babayaran dito. Tapos yung apartment pa. Tapos yun siya guys, pinapaaral din ako ng employer, ulit ng Beats Buy, pero sila ang nagbabayad for free naman. So yun lang siya muna guys, for now. Bye!